Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. When it comes to relationships, sometimes things don't always work out as planned. Ending a marriage is never easy, but before you make a decision, it's important to be aware of the legal requirements for divorce. In Australia, there is only one reason for divorce: the irretrievable breakdown of your marriage. You must be separated from your spouse for at least 12 months to prove this to a court, and there must also be no reasonable chance of you resuming married life. If you have been married for less than 2 years, there is an additional requirement. Before applying for divorce, you will also need to obtain a counselling certificate. This involves attending a family counselling session to discuss the possibility of resolving your differences. If you still intend on parting ways after the session, your counsellor will sign a form which states your relationship is beyond repair. The law recognises that not everyone will be able to attend divorce counselling. There may be several reasons for this. For example, there might be a history of domestic or family violence in the marriage, or you may be unable to locate your spouse, or your spouse may simply refuse to attend the counselling session. In these circumstances, you will need the court's permission to apply for a divorce instead. You can seek permission by filing an affidavit with your application. This affidavit must set out the reason why you and your spouse have not attended counselling. If you are considering a divorce, RP Emery and Associates is here to help. Our legal kits are designed to help couples document their property settlement peacefully and with little fuss. To view our range of financial agreements or to read more about divorce counselling, visit financialagreements.com.au by clicking on the links below.